Mark Zuckerberg builds his own Jarvis AI. Hey there, welcome back to Immersive Fiction, a world of constant technological advancements. Today, we take you behind the scenes to witness the incredible journey of one such visionary. Join us as we are going to explore how Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, built his own personal AI assistant, Jarvis. Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Facebook, now Meta, has taken a page from Tony Stark's book and created his own home-based AI, called Jarvis, just like Tony Stark's is. Zuckerberg's Jarvis was designed to learn from his tastes and patterns, and to interact with him in a more personal and natural way. He aimed to use Jarvis to control everything in his home, from music and lights to temperature and even his toaster. He also intended Jarvis to recognize his friends and let them in by automatically opening the front gate if it recognized them. In addition to showing how far his project came that year, Zuckerberg gave us glimpses as to where home automation and artificial intelligence is heading. However, it's important to note that the similarities between Zuckerberg's Jarvis and the Jarvis from Iron Man are more conceptual than literal. 1. Function as an assistant. Both Jarvis in Iron Man and Zuckerberg's Jarvis are designed to aid their owners in daily tasks. However, while Iron Man's Jarvis has a much wider range of abilities, including managing complex systems in Tony Stark's suit, Zuckerberg's Jarvis is more focused on managing his home. 2. Learning capabilities. Both versions of Jarvis have learning capabilities. In Iron Man, Jarvis learns from Tony Stark's instructions and actions, while Zuckerberg's Jarvis uses artificial intelligence to learn from his patterns and preferences. 3. Voice interaction. Both Jarvis systems interact with their users through voice. Zuckerberg's Jarvis uses natural language processing to understand and respond to Zuckerberg's voice commands, much like how Tony Stark communicates with Jarvis in Iron Man. 4. Control over the environment. Jarvis in both the Iron Man universe and Zuckerberg's home can control the environment, be it Tony Stark's suit and weaponry, or Zuckerberg's household appliances. Zuckerberg shared his journey, where he proudly announced the completion of his personal AI project. His AI, similar to Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant, can control various aspects of his home, such as lights, temperature, and even play his favorite songs. With the power of artificial intelligence, Zuckerberg's vision of a smart home has become a reality. But what sets Jarvis apart is its ability to handle open-ended requests. Imagine having a digital assistant that recognizes you at the front door using face recognition and lets you in. Well, Jarvis does precisely that. It can even distinguish different people and grant them access. However, Zuckerberg faced some challenges when he tried to control appliances with his AI. Interestingly, he discovered that modern toasters wouldn't allow him to push the bread down unless they were powered on. So, he had to resort to using a vintage 1950s toaster, which he connected to an outlet controlled by Jarvis. Sometimes, you have to think outside the box, or in this case, outside the toaster. But Zuckerberg's creativity didn't stop there. He even toyed with the idea of connecting his AI to a t-shirt cannon that would shoot him a fresh gray t-shirt whenever he wanted. Unfortunately, hardware modifications were necessary, so the connected t-shirt cannon remains on hold for now. To interact with his creation, Zuckerberg integrated Jarvis into Facebook Messenger. He can now send text commands to a chatbot, which relays his messages to the Jarvis server. The AI even responds to audio clips, allowing voice recognition for added convenience. But he didn't stop there. Zuckerberg also developed an iOS app that turns his phone into a remote control for Jarvis. With a few taps, he can command his AI assistant from anywhere in his home. But he has bigger plans for the future. His next steps include building an Android app for wider compatibility and installing Jarvis voice terminals throughout his entire home. It seems that Mark Zuckerberg's fascination with AI is far from over, and we can't wait to see what innovations he brings next. Thanks to visionaries like Mark Zuckerberg, we can catch a glimpse of the future, where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this tech update, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.